In this video, I'm going to show you how to add caption like this in CapCut. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about CapCut auto caption. But before then, let me show you the result we are going to get in this video. CapCut is one of the best free video editor for content creator. Don't waste your money on any other video editing software. CapCut is free and easy to use. The interesting thing is that CapCut can add auto caption like this to your video. Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Open up CapCut on your computer. Go ahead and import your footage to the media library and follow along with me. Don't skip any part of this video because all the parts are important. Let's get right to it. As you can see, I have added the necessary file right here. This is the footage I'm going to work with, and these are the icons I'm going to work with. If you need this icon, make a comment down below and I will send you the link right in the comment section. The icons are absolutely free. You can download them and use them in your next project. Let's get right to it. Okay, I'm going to drag this video to my timeline. This is the video we are going to work with. The next thing we are going to do is to add auto caption to our video. To do that, come to the text, auto caption. You can change the language of your choice, but I'm going to leave it as English. Create. It takes a couple of seconds to generate. It depends on the length of your video. This is it right here. So this is the auto caption. As you can see on the screen, we are going to style it one after the other. So I'm going to select this one. You should know that once this is checked, whatever you style will apply to other caption in the video. So I'm going to uncheck this. Okay, come over here to template, scroll down. This is the template we are going to use. Okay, click on this template. Okay, as you can see, we are going to edit this one. From here we go to another caption. Okay, come over here to basic, increase the size to 22, change the font to Montserrat. Some part of the phrases are hidden. What we are going to do now is to come over here and hit enter. Okay, cool. Come over here, hit enter. Okay, this is cool. So the next thing we are going to do is to take this one up right here. CapCut is one of the best free video editor. Okay, so we are not done yet because we are going to change the background color to red. To do that, select the text, then come over here and scroll down. You can see background right here. Tick background, click on this, then this is it right here. Okay, so this is how we can add caption to our video. The next caption, we are going to change the template. Okay, to do that, come over to template, then scroll down. This is the template we are going to use. Click on that, come over here to basic, increase the size to 22, change the font to Montserrat, the first phrase is uppercase, so we are going to change this case to uppercase. To do that, come over here to case and click on this. Beautiful. So if you want to change this green color, come over here to color, click on this and change it to whatever color you want. This is how you can work with the template. Okay, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to style it from scratch, so we are not going to use template for this one. To do that, select the part you want to style. As you can see, we have multiple phrases here, so we are going to break down the phrases so that we will not have a single line phrases like this. To do that, come over here to caption, then don't waste, hit enter, hit enter, and that is cool. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we are going to style it one after the other. So it starts from here and ends here. Okay, to do that, click on this, come over here to text, increase the font size to 22, change the font to Montserrat, change the case to uppercase. Okay, we want to give it a different color, so highlight waist, come over here and change the color. This is how you can change each part of the words. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is to style the second one. Okay, we are going to do the same thing, so I'm not going to waste time on this. Okay, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not subscribed, I'm going to drag this down. What we are going to do now, we are going to use this preset style. Okay, so when we click on this, this is the preset style. Okay, I'm going to use this one. We have more presets you can use to your video. Okay, highlight morning, come over here, give it a green color. Okay, this is cool. This is how you can add auto caption to your video. This very video right here is very long, so I'm not going to do everything right here. The same method we use it is the same method that will apply to all, so you can finish your own projects using the same method we used before. The next thing we are going to do is to add icons and sticker to our captions. Before then, I would like us to style this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to use templates. I'm going to use this one, basic 22, Montserrat, uppercase. Drag this one right here, change the color to red. Okay, cool. If you come along with me to this point, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave your comment down below. Okay, as I said before, the next thing we are going to do is to add sticker to our video. So I'm going to start from here. I'm going to start with icon. This is one of the icons we are going to use, CapCut logo. Okay, drag it to match with the caption. Okay, we are going to scale it down a bit, position it down right here. Okay, you can see it. So we can add animation to our icon. To do that, scroll up to animation. So you can add in animation and out animation, so you can play around with this and see the one that works best for you. Okay, one of CapCut is what dropping best in video. I'm going to add another 2 icons to this. Okay, I'm going to drag this right here. Scale it down. I'm going to put it above right here. Okay, drag this one also down right here. Scale it down. Okay, and the top of content creator. Okay, cool. The next thing we are going to do is to add sticker to our caption. To do that, I'm going to add the sticker right here. Okay, so come over here to sticker. Okay, this is the sticker I'm going to add right here. Drag it down to your timeline. Okay, then scale it down a bit. Okay, I want it to be here. Subscribe to the channel. Okay. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. This is how you can add auto caption to your video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it with your friends. If you have anything in mind, I want you to leave that in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.